Welcome to this video tutorial for Stock Investor Pro, AAII's fundamental stock screening and research database program. In this video segment, we will analyze trends and compare companies. The standard method for financial performance of companies is on a total dollar basis. Looking at this raw data, however, can be difficult to discern trends in a company's performance or compare companies, especially those that differ significantly in size or sales. To aid in this process, Stock Investor Pro provides an alternative means of examining financial statement data. In last month's Stock Investor video, we discussed making quarter-over-quarter and per-share comparisons. In this video, we examine annual percentage change figures in common-size financial statements. First, pull up a company by searching for it. Click on the Financial Statement Annual tab and then click on Percent Change to pull up the annual percentage change for the company. As you can see, there are 7 years of financial statement data, including income statement, cash flow, and balance sheet. This current screen shows the annual percentage change for Microsoft Corporation. This represents a good way to examine annual changes and trends. Common size financial statement data is also available. I'm now going to search for Apple. After I found the company, I'm going to click on Financial Statements Annual and then Common Size. Common size financial statements are useful when analyzing trends within a company or when comparing several companies, especially if they are of differing sizes. For common size balance sheet and income statements, the goal is to create relative figures using a scaling factor. For the balance sheet, the scaling factor is total assets. For the income statement, the scaling factor is sales. Using common size financial statements, you'll be able to tell operating expenses, for example, and see how much they have been in comparison or in relation to sales. Common size financial statements are especially useful when comparing companies of differing sizes. For example, Pfizer and Eli Lilly are similar companies in the same industry. However, Pfizer is significantly larger. During its latest fiscal year, Pfizer had $59 billion in sales, while Eli Lilly had sales of $22.6 billion. Given the disparity in sales numbers, trying to compare their financial statement figures is difficult. However, by converting the figures to common size, which Stock Investor Pro does for you, the companies are placed on a level playing field. In other words, common size allows you to compare apples to apples. For example, you may want to compare research and development spending for Pfizer and Eli Lilly. Looking at reported figures for these two companies, Pfizer actually spends in real money terms about 39% more on research and development than Eli Lilly. However, the picture changes drastically when looking at common size data. Eli Lilly spends more than 23% of its revenues on research and development, while Pfizer only spends 12.4%. Pfizer, however, does currently have a better net profit margin than Eli Lilly, with 24.7% of its revenues turning into net income, while Eli Lilly's net margin is 18.1%. These various types of financial statements can also be printed. Select Comprehensive Company Report, Selected Company from the print window. Here you can select the report you want based on various different financial statements. For instance, here I'm going to select the common size and percentage change financial statement for the annual report. The following reports present these two different types of financial statement data. For additional information on Stock Investor Pro, please visit our website or our wiki. As always, feel free to give us a call or send us an email.